It's October! Hey y'all! I'm Caroline Cole and welcome to the Business of Storytelling. So welcome my friends. This week it's time for a release. The moon is waning, the seasons are changing. It's time to let a little tension go. And where is the biggest point of tension for a lot of voice actors? The jaw. What do you notice? Check into that jaw. Do you notice some tension? Ooh, I thought so. Yeah, let's go ahead and get rid of that. We're gonna do a couple of things. First, take these two fingers are good. And let's just do a few big opens and closes. Just pressure right on that big muscle right there that holds the jawbone to the skull. A couple of slow opens and closes. Maybe they turn into yawns. Just notice what's there. Nice job. Another one of my favorites. Right before I go in the booth, if I want to let go a little jaw tension, thumb, pointer finger, and just a little gentle movement. So we're going to gently pull. Exhale. About 5 breaths there if you can. Take a little time. And hopefully you've let go a little tension there. Another one of my favorites, right, the crook of the hand, bring it to the chin and just gently pull. Yeah, I know. So pick one of those 3. Those are kind of my 3 favorite. The massage, the passive, and the more active, just like weight down there. And see what tension you can release from the jaw, my friends. And then let that go once you're finished with just a few yawns. Maybe some stretching. And then from there, maybe you're hopping into the booth, maybe you're going on with the rest of your day, but hopefully you can do so with a little less jaw tension. So thanks for tuning in to this brief episode of the Business of Storytelling this fine Thursday. I'm Caroline Cole, and I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that shows up each week. I'm loving getting to send emails every couple of weeks to update you all. And if you haven't yet, I have a new free download at carolinecolestories.com/freebies. You can also follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories and on Threads. I'm there too. I don't know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love reading y'all's comments and getting to connect with you in that way. You guys are the best, and I will see you in just a few weeks. Mwah. Bye, friends.